In 2021, the Alliance for Maine's Marine Economy hit the road, and we made 5 stops along Maine's beautiful coastline to produce a series of seafood cooking shows that celebrate the innovative, delicious product that resulted by investments made by the Alliance. Chef Robert Dumas leads us on these culinary adventures alongside the innovators and trailblazers that are transforming Maine's seafood economy.
And this is a really exciting opportunity for all of us here at Ready Seafood today.
Cook Aquaculture started back in 1985.
I own and run Blue Hill Bay Mussels.
I've been on a mission to develop a sustainable fishery.
It's really believing in this marine economy and preserving working waterfront that's so vitally important.
Each episode demonstrates just how easy it is to cook Maine seafood. We hope you enjoy this series, and you can view them on our website, as well as the recipes that are featured in each, and the full-length episodes can be found on Maine Sea Grant's Facebook page.